Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly where to find the power button on a Samsung TV. So on many newer Samsung smart TVs, the power button is hidden underneath the center of the TV frame. So the location can look something like this over here. So you need to reach carefully under the bottom bezel directly below the Samsung logo, and here you are going to see this type of button. So you can press this power button and you can restart your Samsung TV. Now in some of the Samsung TVs, the power button position is available in the back panel or in the side panel. So it can look something like this. So you can also find it over here. Now many modern Samsung TVs use a 5-way joystick button instead of separate buttons. So the single button can control the power, the volume, the channels and the input navigation, and most probably you will find it on the back of your Samsung TV. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.